Hello again. So next na ifa-fabricate natin is yung housing. Uh, so ilatag natin yung mga materyales. Ang una nating uh, i-assemble is yung lower part ng housing. So meron itong steel plate lower cover composed of 5mm steel plate. And then you have the lower side cover. Ayan. Lower side cover. Tapos ito yung chute. Okay, ito yung chute. The chute is composed of plates, pre-cut plates. And then ito, kasama yan. Tapos, meron yung screen. Ayan. 5mm steel plate chute with screen not shown. Ito yung kanyang screen. Tapos, ito yung 4 na steel bracket. And then, once na na-assemble na natin ito, ang susunod dyan ay yung upper housing naman, which is composed of the upper plate cover, ito. Tapos, upper side cover. Ayan. And then, yung hopper with cover, ito. So, yan yung sides ng hopper. Ito naman yung front and back ng hopper. Tapos, ito yung cover. And then, you have the hinges. Ito yung hinge ng cover. Tapos, ito naman yung hinge na magko-connect dun sa lower housing tsaka upper housing. So, first is, demonstrate ko muna kung paano i-assemble itong bracket. So, ito siya. Now, the bracket is composed of a rectangular steel plate and then 3 pieces na triangular steel pieces. Ayan siya. So, first is, i-welding mo siya. Ayan. And then, gumawa ka ng 4 na units niyan. So, eto siya. Okay? And then, first is, ilagay na natin itong lower cover. Tapos, i-welding na natin itong side covers. After that, i-full weld natin dyan sa gilid. After that, itong chute composed of the upper chute. Ito yung naka-connect dun sa lower cover. Okay? Tapos, itong lower chute naman, ayan, dyan lalabas yung product natin. Okay? So, i-assemble na natin itong upper chute. Okay? So, ito, 2 steel plates. Ayan siya. And then, i-welding na natin itong 2 plate again. Oops. Ayan. So, buo na yung upper chute. And then, yung lower chute is composed of 4 pieces na pre-cut plates. So, i-welding na natin ito. Yung side plates ng lower chute. And then, pagdugtungin na natin tong lower chute tsaka dun sa upper chute. So, iwewelding na natin ito dyan. And then, sa buo na tong chute, ngayon, i-welding na natin siya dito sa lower cover. Yan. And then, rotate ko lang. So, ayan yung kanyang figure. Ngayon, may butas dito. Tatakpan natin ito ng screen. Ito. Or wire mesh. So, ilalagay natin yan dito. Yan. Ngayon, itong wire mesh na yan, magde-depend yan sa available size. So, kung gusto mo ng fine na crushed particles na glass, palitan mo tong screen ng mas maliit na size. Ngayon, kung gusto mo naman ng coarse or larger diameter na crushed glass, palitan mo to ng sheave na mas malaking size. And then next is i-welding na natin ngayon yung 4 na brackets. Yan siya. After that, so buo na yung ating lower housing. Ang next na i-assemble naman natin ngayon is yung upper housing. So, palitan natin yung view. I-rotate ko lang. Ayan siya. So, ito yung lower housing. Ito naman ang components ng upper housing. Ito yung upper plate cover or upper cover. Tapos ito yung upper side covers, and then ito yung hopper. Meron siyang 4 na pre-cut plates. Okay, hopper yan. Tapos ito yung hinge nung cover. Ito yung cover, ayan. Okay, so let us assemble now. So ito yung upper cover, i-welding na natin tong upper sides. So ayan. Yan. Ito na, naka-full weld na yan. Next, i-welding na natin tong front and rear plates nung hopper dito sa sides nung hopper. Yan. And then, ito yung hinge. Kabit na natin siya dito sa hopper. Tapos, ito yung cover. Okay, so ang purpose nitong hopper, dito mo i-shoot yung glass. Okay, tapos kung di mo nagagamitin, pwede mo na siyang takpan. Or habang nag-crash siya, takpan mo para walang lalabas na glass particles. And then etong completed hopper assembly or completed hopper, i-full weld na natin siya dito sa upper cover. Ayan. Okay, so next is, pwede na nating ikabit yung lower housing sa frame, followed by the pulverizer, and then tatakpan na natin siya ng upper housing. Oops, kabit na natin itong hinge dito sa upper cover. Yan. Okay. Tapos yung kapares niyang hinge, kabit natin dito sa lower housing. Ayan. Okay, so yung lower housing, meron siyang hinge, yung kalahati ng hinge. Tapos yung kalahati ng tatlong hinge, nakakabit dito sa upper housing. And then the powertrain assembly, it is composed of the motor, tapos merong smaller pulley, then you have the larger pulley, tsaka yung belt. So the belt is dalawang V-belt. Okay, so we are now ready to assemble the whole pulverizer machine.